better. She's all styled and ready.
You're live.
All right, this is Kendra Underwood about to cough up blood. I'm super excited. We're gonna take it and put it in a syringe. I'm gonna hold it slightly back in my throat, and it's gonna all come out. Let's go for it.
At least that's the plan.
That's the plan.
Tip your head back. Don't swallow it. Keep it there. Now gag it. You did it! You got the air bubbles. She's got it.
Oh my goodness.
It's all over your nose.
Oh my goodness.
And the chair.
And that's for people that can reach a far back.
Oh my goodness.